I'm Alex DePaze.
Mi nombre es Stefano Alcántara.
I'm Jason Butcher.
I'm Mark Adams.
Hey, what's up? I'm Jeremiah Barber.
I'm Gregos.
I'm Franklin Atra.
Hey, I'm Fabian Danger de Gayon.
Richie Bulldog first approached me with his hustle butter, and I was a little skeptical.
And he was like, yo, you gotta try out this hustle butter. I was like, I don't know, man.
I was really surprised just when I cracked the packet open, the smell of it. I was like, wow, that's really cool. And just using it tattooing was just like fantastic. I loved it.
Richie Bulldog mi ha dato la crema Hustle Butter a Chicago. L'ho provata appena tornato a casa in Italia ed è fantastica.
And I've started using hustle butter, and I love it. I never want to use anything else. It's really amazing for when you're tattooing, and you can put it on afterwards. It's great for healing afterwards.
Uso Hustle Butter de mi buen amigo Richie Bulldog. Me gusta mucho no solo por el olor o por lo que tiene, los naturales elementos que tiene, pero también porque humecta muy bien la piel, la piel no se irrita tanto, es muy fácil para trabajar con colores o black and gray.
I got some hustle butter today. I tried it on a client in a 4-hour piece, and it was really nice stuff. The way I use it in replace of my A&D ointment, and basically in 4-hour tattoo, it took all the redness out. By the time I was up to the top of the tattoo and finishing up, all the redness had been out of the bottom, and it almost looked like it was the day after.
I get clients that come in from out of state. They want to get large pieces done really quickly, you know. So I noticed after the 2 or 3 days of it, a lot of the swelling that used to be typically there is pretty much gone now. It's, you know, the skin's more pliable. It takes the tattoo a lot easier. It just works a hell of a lot better.
And for the last 6 months, I use nothing else. It's amazing to work with. It's amazing to heal my tattoos. It really, you know, I couldn't picture using anything else anymore after working. It has made my life so much easier and made my tattoos look better, and it's really just made it easier for me to tattoo with.
Nada, me encanta todo cómo es ese producto. Ahora vienen unos sachets que son individuales, que eso para mí es algo priceless, que no muchas compañías lo tienen.
It wasn't until last week that Nick Baxter and John Montalvo tattooed me with Hustle Butter, and to me it's the perfect combination of all these crazy mixes that I've been trying to develop over time.
It's just really awesome. It's not greasy. I used it through the whole tattoo process. Not a lot of irritation on the skin for what I'm used to, and I think it made everything a little easier for me and my client. So I'm really, really happy with the results of it.
That's about it, really. It's fantastic.
THC Por Vida. The Hustle Butter of Richie Bulldog is great, man. I like it.
THC Por Vida.
I love it. THC Por Vida.
Oh yeah, THC Por Vida for life.
THC Por Vida.
THC Por Vida.
Team Hustle Certified Por Vida.